Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class, the continued part of exercise 21. 13th main. If A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6, find the value of, we have 3 sub questions. Look at the question carefully children. Before mains, how did we solve? There was only one unknown variable and the value of that variable was given in the question. So the similar process here, we have two variables and the value of both the variables are given in the question. So the 3 steps are same. Read the question, substitute the values of the variables and then simplify. The first question is 3AB. How to read 3AB? It means 3 into A into B. Let me write it. 3 into 5 into 6. 3 5s are 15, 15 6s are 90. Next, second question. 6A square B. So value of A is 5. Substitute 5 in the place of A and value of B is 6. How to expand this? 6 into A square into B. So the square is applied only for A. So let us concentrate only on 5 square. What is the value of 5 square? 5 square is 25. Now 6 into 25 into 6. Or you can write by using brackets also. 6 into 25 into 6. Find out the product. 6 into 25 into 6. 6 into 25, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, 150 into 6. Again, 15 6s are 90 followed by 10. The solution is 900. So what is the major thing in this problem? A square. That means square is applied for A. Before multiplying A with 6 and B, we have to remove the square and later further process. Now the third question is 2B square. 2 into B square. Here also value of B is 6. Before we multiply the value of B with 2, what we need to do? 2B square. So find out B square first. So value of 6 square is 36. 2 into 36 is equal to 72. So for which value the square is applied, you need to focus very carefully. That is only the very much tricky part in this particular chapter. Second question number 14. 9xy. That is 9 into x, its value is 8. Into y, its value is 2. So 9 into 8 into 2. However you want, you can just multiply. Either you can multiply 9 into 8 first or 8 into 2. So as you have all the 3 numbers, you can multiply as per your convenience. So 9 into 16. 8 2s are 16. 16 9s are 144. Next, 5x square y. What do you mean by 5x square y? 5 into x square into y. So in the place of x we have written 8. In the place of y it is 2. So first what I need to do? Find out the value of 8 square. That is 64. Now we can multiply 5 into 64 into 2. Be little bit smart. Observe the values children. First I will multiply 5 2s are 10 into 64. The reason behind is easy for calculation. 64 10s are 640. Next, 4y whole square. See here, the square is given for 4 as well as for y. How do I read this? See here, 4y whole square. It means first you calculate the value of 4y. For the value of 4y, you need to apply square. What is the meaning of 4y? That is 4 into 2. And keep whole square as it is. 4 2s are 8. 8 square is 64. So observe the 13th main last problem and the 14th main last problem. The square is same, but how it is applied? In 13th main we had 2b square. That means first we calculated square, then we multiplied by 2. How do we read this? 2 into b square. So calculate b square first, then multiply it by 2. But question number 14, how do we read this? 4y whole square. So first we have to calculate what is the value of 4y. For that you need to apply square. 8 square means not 8 into 2. 8 square is 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Next, 15th main. 8xy. That means 8 into 5 into 4. So 8 into 5 into 4. 8 into 20. I multiplied 5 4s are. So 8 2s are 16 followed by 1 0. The solution is 160. Next, 3x square y. So 3 into x square into y. Please observe the method of writing. Here also, before we multiply with 3 and 5 and 4, first we have to simplify the square. Without simplifying square, we can't do the multiplication process. So 3 into 5 square is 25 into 4. So multiplication can be done anywhere. I'll do it as 3 into 25 4s are 100. So 100 3s are 300. Next, 3y square. 3y square is 3 into y square. So for the value of y, we need to apply square. Its value is 4. That is 3 into 16. 4 square. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 3s are 48. Next, 16th main. If y is equal to 5, z is equal to 2, find out 100 into y into z. So that is 100 into value of y is 5, value of z is 2. Multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 100 is 1000. However you want, you can multiply. 100 into 5, 500, 500 2s are 1000. Next, 9y square z. Similar type. I hope by this time you will be able to do it. So pause the video, do the solution by yourself, come back and cross check. 5 square value is 25 into 2. So 9 into 25 into 2. First I'll multiply 25 2s are because the solution will be easy to simplify. 9 into 50, 9 5s are 45, that is 450. Already I have told you children to while writing the multiplication can be by bracket or by multiplication sign or even by dot. So I have used all the two ways to make you to understand. You can learn as per your convenient. Okay. Now 5y square. 5 into 5 whole square. 5 square is 25. Multiply. 5 5s are 25 to 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 125. You can copy the steps children, but not the calculation. Do the calculation by yourself very much carefully. Okay, unless you do the calculation by yourself, you will not get the solutions of maths. 5z whole cube. What do you mean by 5z whole cube? First calculate what is 5z, that is 5 into 2, it is 10 cube. What is the meaning of 10 cube? 10 into 10 into 10, 1 followed by 3 zeros. The solution is 1000. Next, 17th main. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 10. So this is 30 into x is 2 into y is 10. So again you can multiply as per your convenience. 10 2s are 20, 3 2s are 6 followed by 2 zeros. The solution is 600. 50 xy square. 50 into x is 2 into y square is 10 square. Again what should we do first? First calculate what is the value of 10 square. You can keep this 50 into 2 as it is or you can multiply. So 10 square is 100. Now 5 2s are 10. 1, 2, 3 followed by 3 zeros. The solution is 10,000. If you are not able to do it directly children, just Just do it in your margin, cross check and then come back. Okay. 50xy square. 50 into 2 into 10 whole square. That is 50 2s are 100. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Next, question number 3. 10x whole square. It is 10x whole square. What is the value of x? Again, value of x is given as 2. So 10 into 2 whole square. So 10 2s are 20. 20 whole square. 20 into 20. 20 into 20 is 2 2s are 4. 4 into 100 is 400. Next, 5y square. 5, y value is 10 whole square. So 5 into 100, the solution is 500. So this is the solution for 17th main. Next we have 18th main. Copy the questions carefully. Try to solve it by yourself once. Question number, sub-question, we have 3 sub-questions. If m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 7, evaluate 12mn. So in this case, what you need to do? In the place of m, you have to replace 3. In the place of n, you have to replace 7. Find out the product, 12 into m into n. Next, second problem, 5mn whole square. In the place of 5, you keep 5, substitute m as 3 and n as 7. First step, calculate what is 7 square value. Then find out the product. 5 into 3, 7 square will be 49. I hope you can solve it, children. The last main is marked as a homework. I am explaining. Do it by yourself once and cross check with the answers. Okay. 10m whole square. 10, what is the value of m? M is 3. 10 into 3 whole square. 10 3s are 30. 30 into 30 is 30 square. Next, 4n square. So look at the difference of these two. Here, first 10 into m, later whole square. Here, first n square, then multiplied by 4. So by this we have completed this chapter number 21. So as per the reduced syllabus of your class 6 children, in algebra you have only 3 chapters. Chapter number 18, fundamental concepts. Chapter number 19, fundamental operations. And chapter number 21, framing algebraic expressions. Chapter number 20 and 22 has been excluded, and in the chapter number 19 and 21 also few problems are excluded that I have already marked in your textbook. So what is taught in the video and in the online class, practice only that problems for your examination. By this, class 6th algebra portions has been completed. Practice well. All the best for your exams, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.